Hello everyone. In this feature update, we shall discuss on the franchisee return as credit note. Before moving to the system working, let us first understand the background because of which we are coming up with this release. Point number 1. Currently, our Ginesys system do not allow credit note transaction for managed site in sales return. Number 2. Therefore, all franchisee returns were considered as an inward supply transaction and were uploaded as a purchase in GST return. And point number 3. Input GST ledgers get debited instead of output GST getting reversed. Now let us discuss the changes we have done in the system to cater credit note for managed site. Managed sites will come as a value in site LOB for credit note creation. Multiple invoices can be tagged with a credit note, and this is as per the GST amendment which was effected from February 19. Suggestive pop-up will come up while creating inward supply transaction with invoice tagging. Output GST ledgers will get reversed. Now let us move to the system working, and we will create two scenarios. One with the credit note, which will cover both point number 1 and 2, and another sales return with inward supply, which will cover point number 3. And output GST ledger will get reversed in case of a credit note. We will go to sales return, which is under outright. Click enter. Now we will create a sales return with a credit note. Select this. Under this site LOB, you can see we have both managed and unmanaged site. So let us select one managed site, this one. Now select a GRT number, which is mandatory. Go to item details, add, receive all, populate. Now as you can see, multiple invoices are being settled with this credit note. Press on OK. Go to charge. We have selected a GST charge. Click on calculate. Press OK. And now save. So this is a warning message which is telling GST law has allowed single credit note against multiple invoices. However, GST return filing have to be done manually. Please consult with your accountant before proceeding. Do you want to proceed? Actually, this is a warning message because GST Council has made an amendment in the law, but the actual return filing, which is to be done in the portal, does not support uploading a consolidated credit note against multiple invoices. So this is a call at the customer's end whether they want to proceed or not, but our system is facilitating this as per the GST amendment. So press on yes, and this is how a credit note is generated. Now we will again fetch the created credit note to check the ledger view. Check the ledger view. See, the output ledgers are being reversed in this transaction instead of input getting debited. Now we will create another sales return, but this time we will create an inward supply to check the suggestive pop-up. So select any site, item details, add, remove, select an invoice, populate all, press on OK. Now go to charge detail, click on calculate, OK. Let us first check the ledger view. As this is an inward supply, input ledgers are getting debited here. Press on save. This is a suggestive pop-up which is telling you are doing a GST inward transaction. To comply with GST return, customer must treat this as a sale. It is suggested to pass this transaction as a credit note. Do you want to convert to GST credit note? So it is suggestive to convert this transaction as a credit note, because with this release we are able to create a credit note with multiple invoices settling that. So press on OK. Now select a scheme document which is applicable for credit note. Press on OK. and a credit note is being saved. I hope this feature update will help you in your daily operations, and this feature update is brought to you by Business Analyst team. In case you have any further query, please contact with Ginesys support team. Thank you.